On this machine with the Fanuc series 0i-TD CNC, we're going to see how to replace an output that is burned. The output is always on, but we don't have an output module to replace, so we're going to use an output that is spare right now, and we are using logic to replace the original one. So we need to go to system. Here in system, press, if you're in parameter, you have to press the right arrow key until you find PMC ladder. In PMC ladder, you might have a list by default, so just select ladder. I'm already on the output that we have issues and we have to replace, but you can find if you need it as a, let's say, Y 1.0 and search, and this is the contact, but if you press W search, it's gonna bring you to the coil. So on this, we're gonna exit from the search. On this position, we are gonna edit the program and press zoom, and because the logic is using the Y 1.0 in different locations as a contact, we're gonna leave it there and use the spare right here in parallel. So let's enter the Y 0.7 input, and now we have to close the parallel. There you go. And exit from zoom, and now we have to exit from edit and save the program or update the program. We are talking about the ladder program, and we have to write the flash ROM to not lose the changes when we power cycle the machine. So next step, always do the backup. You might be in status by default, so you have to press IO, and now I'm gonna save the program or ladder program into the USB. The function that I'm gonna use is write from the CNC to the USB, and the name for that program or ladder program is gonna be 5 is 6. We're gonna call it ladder. You have to use the shift to insert the second option on the keys. Okay, and execute. You can do the same with the parameters. Oh, sorry, I haven't changed the sequence program. My fault. So that is good, because so my ladder is gonna be sequence program. Oh, okay, and then let's execute and override the program. Okay, thank you.